Imagine a single rock drifting in space worth more than the GDP of every nation on Earth combined. Isn't it amazing? Sounds like science fiction. It's not. Welcome to the era of asteroid mining. Asteroids are ancient time capsules, leftovers from the birth of a solar system, packed with metals rarer than gold. Hidden inside their dusty exteriors lie platinum group metals, rare earth elements, and minerals that could power every smartphone, electric car, and quantum computer for centuries. Here on Earth, these resources are vanishing fast. Digging deeper gets harder, costlier, and more destructive to our environment, isn't it? But in space, they are just floating, waiting to be collected. And it's not just about jewelry or gadgets. These asteroid materials could be the backbone of future industries, powering space-based solar stations and building entire colonies on Mars. Take Psyche-16, an asteroid floating between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists estimate it could be worth $10 quintillion. That's enough to make every person on Earth a billionaire, and that too several times over. But the real gold rush isn't just metal, it's water. In space, water means survival. Split it into hydrogen for rocket fuel and oxygen for breathing, and suddenly the moon or Mars could become a permanent home. Accessible space resources could slash the cost of building satellites, fueling space stations, and launching deep space missions. Entire industries could be born that today exist only as scribbles on a whiteboard. But here's the catch. Who owns these cosmic treasures? Who decides on the ownership? The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 says no country can claim a celestial body. But it says nothing about private companies. So this is where we see a loophole. So enter the space gold rush nations. The United States and Luxembourg have already passed laws letting companies claim what they mine. Others are racing to follow. This legal gray zone could trigger the first disputes over property rights beyond Earth. Imagine rival mining drones speeding towards the same asteroid, each backed by a different nation. The next frontier may not just be about technology, it could be about diplomacy or conflict. So, how do you mine a rock hurtling through space at millions of kilometers? The answer: robotics, artificial intelligence, and propulsion breakthroughs. Autonomous craft will need to land, drill, and process materials without human hands. AI, or artificial intelligence, will adapt in real time to unpredictable surfaces. Propulsion systems, from ion drives to nuclear engine, will make rendezvous missions possible. But the challenges are brutal. Deadly cosmic radiation, unpredictable microgravity, abrasive dust that can destroy machinery, and the vast distances, making rescue or repair almost impossible. This isn't just about billionaires. Companies like Planetary Resources, Deep Space Industries, and startups backed by ex-NASA engineers are already testing technology. For the rest of us, asteroid mining could mean investing in space technology, creating jobs in orbital construction, and sparking an economic boom as big as the Industrial Revolution. The ultimate vision? Humanity expanding across the solar system, building fuel depots on asteroids, factories in orbit, and colonies fueled by space riches. So the question isn't if asteroid mining will happen. The question is when. And when it does, it might just rewrite the definition of wealth itself.